What's going on, everybody? Karthik here from Uzi Marketing. Today I want to talk to you about something that I hold really dear and close to my heart. It's the average of the 5 people that you spend the most amount of time with in your life. Now, this is an average that you may or may not be familiar with. A lot of the times people don't recognize it because it's not very publicly known. It's something that you kind of have to interpret and analyze through the subconscious. And the way that it works is this. Take the 5 people that you spend the most amount of minutes with in a given day, week, year, month, whatever. If you take the average of any characteristic, any personality trait, or any lifestyle, and you average those 5 people, you're gonna be the 6th person that fits in as the average of that. Let's take something as simple as this, happiness level. If you take the 5 people that you spend the most amount of minutes with in a week, and you take their happiness level and you put it into numbers, then take the average of that, you're gonna be the average. If those 5 people are all happy, you're gonna be happy as well, likely. If you draw the parallel, if you hang out with 5 people who are broke all the time, you're probably gonna also be broke as that 6th person, as a broke person. If you hang out with people who are successful or who want to become successful and are spending every minute of their life, waking moment, trying to become successful, then you're gonna be just like that. It's because these things are so subconscious. You don't even realize this is happening. And here's something I implore you to do, okay? And it's a fun little exercise that you can do, and it's gonna probably blow your mind when you check it out and you do it. It's something so simple. Take a piece of paper, write down the 5 people that you spend the most amount of minutes with in the last 7 days. And this could be anybody. If you're working at a job, the coworker right next to you, that counts. Because if you're working at a job and you're working for 8 hours and you're with that person 8 hours and you're chit-chatting while you're working, then that person is gonna be high on that list of people that you spend time with. And if that person has characteristics that you're not happy with, you're gonna absorb some of those characteristics, whether you realize it or not. Now, if you hang out with a group of entrepreneurs and everybody's always talking about improvements, growth, hustling, how to get to the next level, all that stuff, those things are going straight into your subconscious, and you are going to become an average of that. You're gonna subconsciously absorb those characteristics and behavior and thought patterns, and you're going to integrate it into your daily life. Now, all you gotta do is just count how many minutes you spent with a specific person in the last week. You can easily find out what your average is gonna be. Let's say those top 5 people, right? You make a list. Let's say they're all from different sources. Let's say that you hang out with one person at work, or you hang out with one employee of yours, or let's say you hang out with a friend every single day after work, or even your significant other or child or a parent or something. And if you live in the same area, those are people who are strongly influencing you without you realizing it. Okay, so after you analyze how many minutes you spent with each one of these people, next, start describing their characteristics. Start describing their thought patterns. Start describing everything. Are they a victim? Are they a hustler? Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they broke? Are they rich? Are they trying to improve themselves? Start analyzing and start putting all these metrics down. You'll be surprised how you can draw the parallel thread between the average of those 5 people and yourself. Now that you know this information, after you made that list of 5 people, you're gonna wanna take action on it. Because if you realize that you're spending time with people who are not conducive to your personal growth and the level of success that you're trying to achieve for yourself, then it's not gonna suit you. And this is really hard to say, and it's even harder to actually practically implement, because a lot of the times, the people who have a negative influence on us happen to be close to us, very close to us. Sometimes they could even be our significant other or partner. Like, they can, and sometimes it could be our parents. It could be like our boss or our employee or something, like somebody very close that's just hard to remove yourself from. So in these situations, you have to figure out, how am I going to stop this person's negative energy from impacting me and programming my subconscious? And I have another video coming up that's going to talk about how you can analyze your subconscious and how the subconscious mind works. So definitely check that out whenever it gets posted. But you need to really take care of what subconscious programming you're allowing to enter into yourself, right? And one of the things that you can take action on right away is to manipulate the 5 people that you choose to have in your daily life, or that are in your daily life, and you can choose how much time that you're gonna let them be in your life. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you got some value out of this. If you do, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you don't, leave a comment and explain what we could have done better. I'm always down to improve. Uzi Marketing, we're all about improvement. So give us your feedback and take care. Have a good one.